Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Glow Up podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Luna.
And I'm Zay.
This podcast is for English learners who want to speak English with confidence.
We use easy English, simple examples, and real-life conversations.
Today's topic is very important for daily life.
Yes, today we are talking about family and friends.
This is a great topic because people talk about family and friends all the time in the USA.
You can use these conversations at school, work, college, parties, restaurants, or online.
When you meet new people in America, they often ask simple questions like,
Do you have brothers or sisters?
where does your family live?
Who is your best friend?
What do you do with your friends on weekends?
So, today, we will help you answer these questions in easy English.
We will learn family words,
Friend vocabulary,
easy grammar.
and real American-style conversations.
Before we begin, please subscribe to the English Glow Up podcast if you enjoy learning English with us.
And share this episode with your friends or classmates.
Okay, let's begin.
Family is one of the first topics people learn in English.
Yes, because family is important in every country.
Let's start with basic family words.
Repeat after me.
Father,
Mother,
brother,
sister,
grandfather,
grandmother,
uncle,
aunt,
cousin,
parents,
children,
son,
daughter,
husband.
wife.
Let's use these words in easy sentences.
My father works in a bank.
My mother loves cooking.
I have one brother.
My sister is a college student.
My grandparents live in Texas.
I have many cousins. In the USA, people often ask,
How many people are in your family?
here are some easy answers.
There are 4 people in my family.
I live with my parents and my sister.
I have a small family.
I have a big family. Let's do a small conversation.
Okay.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother.
What does he do?
He works as a software engineer in California.
That's nice. In English, we often say older brother or younger sister.
For example,
I have an older sister.
my younger brother is in high school.
Notice we say older and younger.
Not big brother or small sister in normal English conversations.
In America, people often talk about their parents casually.
Yes. Listen to these examples.
My dad loves baseball.
My mom works from home.
My parents live in New York.
I call my parents every weekend.
Americans often say mom and dad.
These are very common and friendly words.
My mom makes amazing tacos.
My dad likes watching football,
Many American families are very close to grandparents.
especially during holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Here are some easy sentences.
My grandmother tells funny stories.
My grandfather likes gardening.
We visit my grandparents during summer vacation.
Now let's talk about family activities.
What do families do together?
In the USA, families often eat dinner together, watch movies, go shopping, visit parks, travel during holidays, have barbecues, and celebrate birthdays.
Here are some examples.
My family watches movies on Friday nights.
We have barbecue parties in summer.
We visit my aunt in Florida every year.
Americans also talk about traditions.
A tradition is something you do every year or regularly.
Example,
We decorate the house for Christmas.
my family eats turkey on Thanksgiving.
We take family photos every New Year.
Here is a quick grammar tip.
When talking about family, we often use have.
I have 2 sisters.
She has one brother.
Remember, I have, you have, we have, they have.
But he has, she has.
Another common topic is location.
Americans often ask.
Where does your family live?
Example answers.
My family lives in Chicago.
My parents live in a small town in Texas.
My sister lives in Los Angeles.
My cousin studies in Boston.
People also ask about jobs.
Let's learn some job words. Teacher, doctor, nurse, engineer, driver, chef, student, police officer.
Example sentences.
My mother is a teacher.
My father is a taxi driver.
My brother is a college student.
Let's practice a longer conversation.
Great idea. Tell me about your family.
Sure. I have a small family.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my younger sister.
What does your sister do?
She is a high school student.
Nice. Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close. We eat dinner together every night.
Here are useful expressions.
Repeat after us.
We are very close.
I spend time with my family.
My family is supportive.
I love my family.
My parents are very kind.
In many families, cousins are important too.
Americans often meet cousins during holidays.
Example sentences.
I have many cousins.
My cousin lives in Seattle.
We play basketball together.
In the USA, families often live in different states.
Yes. One person may live in New York and another in California.
So, people often travel to visit family.
My uncle lives in Florida. My aunt lives in Chicago.
We visit them during summer vacation.
Okay, now let's talk about friends.
Friends are a big part of life.
Especially in school, college, and work.
Repeat after me.
Friend,
Best friend,
classmate,
neighbor,
teammate,
roommate.
buddy.
Americans often ask,
Who is your best friend?
how did you meet?
What do you do together?
My best friend is Jake.
We met in high school.
We play basketball together.
My friends are funny and friendly.
Let's learn adjectives.
Friendly,
Funny,
smart,
gunned,
quiet,
outgoing.
helpful.
My best friend is very funny.
She is kind and helpful.
My roommate is quiet.
My classmates are friendly.
In the USA, people often make friends through school, college, work, sports, social media, clubs, or neighborhoods.
Example,
I met my friend at college.
we work together.
We joined the same soccer club.
Friends often spend time together.
Here are common activities in America: going to coffee shops, watching movies, playing video games, studying together, going shopping, eating at restaurants, traveling.
We go to Starbucks every weekend.
My friends and I watch Marvel movies.
We study together at the library.
We play basketball after school.
Let's practice another conversation. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Daniel.
How did you meet?
We met at college in Texas.
What do you usually do together?
We play soccer and watch movies. In America, small talk is common.
Small talk means short, friendly conversation.
People may ask simple questions about friends and family.
For example,
How's your family?
how are your parents doing?
Did you spend time with your friends this weekend?
Here are polite answers.
They're doing well, thank you.
My family is good.
I visited my friends last weekend.
Many people love talking about best friends.
Here are easy examples.
My best friend always helps me.
We understand each other.
We have fun together.
She makes me laugh.
Students often talk about classmates.
Example sentences.
My classmates are very nice.
I study with my friends after class.
We eat lunch together.
Adults often make friends at work too.
My coworker is very friendly.
We drink coffee during breaks.
My office team is supportive. Today, many friendships begin online.
Especially through Instagram, TikTok, Discord, or gaming.
I met my friend online. We play games together.
We chat every day.
Repeat these useful expressions.
We get along well.
We have a lot in common.
He is easy to talk to.
She is always there for me. Americans often ask friends.
What are you doing this weekend?
Here are easy answers.
I'm going to the mall with my friends.
We're watching a movie.
We're having a barbecue.
Let's tell a small story.
Great.
Last Saturday, I visited my cousin in New York.
Nice. What did you do?
We ate pizza, walked in Central Park, and took pictures.
Sounds fun.
Here's an important learning tip.
Don't try to use difficult English all the time.
Simple English is powerful.
Even short sentences are good.
For example, my family is small. My best friend is funny. We study together. I love spending time with my friends.
These are simple but natural English sentences.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Repeat slowly.
Family,
Friend,
parents,
cousin,
best friend.
classmate.
Many English learners feel nervous when speaking,
That's normal.
but practice every day.
Talk about your real life,
Your family,
your friends.
your hobbies.
Simple topics help you become confident.
Answer these questions out loud.
Ready?
How many people are in your family?
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Who is your best friend?
What do you do with your friends?
Where does your family live?
Wow. Today we learned a lot of English.
We talked about family vocabulary,
Friend vocabulary,
easy conversations.
and useful American English expressions.
Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect.
It's about communication and confidence.
Practice speaking about your family and friends every day.
Even 5 minutes of practice can help you improve.
Thank you so much for listening to the English Glow Up podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
And now, today's community question.
What do you love doing with your family or friends?
Tell us in English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.